guys, thanks for joining me. Welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I made my silver candle wall sconce. This came out so beautifully. It was quick, it was easy, and it's very affordable. This is an inspiration from my girl Dazzling Designs by Denise. I saw her create something not quite like this, but she did use 5x7 frames. And yeah, so I'm going to get started. So to create this project, I used 3 5x7 silver picture frames. I didn't use that ruler, but I did use the E6000, my scissors, tea light candles. Those are battery operated tea light candles. These are the ones from the DollarTree. If you want to recreate this and use real candles, you can. I'm going to use 3 wooden sticks. I'm going to use that flower wrap design embellishment. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use diamond mesh wrap also. Pliers. I'm going to be using my silicone fingers. So let's get started. Right now I'm just going to take the back off the frame. I'm going to take the paper out, and I'm going to take that glass out. I'm going to use my pliers, and I'm going to remove the small pieces. I don't need those. I'm going to take them all out of the frames. And guys, don't forget to check out Lifestyle by Kam. She has great DIY videos on her channel. She has hair care videos on her channel also. She shows us how to DIY a pearl jacket. She has a great video on how to recycle an old bag into a new bag using faux fur. And if you like her content, just show us some love. Okay, so right now I'm going to just put the mirror back into the frame. And what I'm going to do now is just hot glue the corners so that the glass doesn't fall out. So now I'm going to use some E6000. And guys, I think my E6000 is old because it doesn't come out the tube very well, and then it looks really white when I apply it to my projects. So I'm just going to keep applying that E6000. As you can see, it looks white. So I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue to help it adhere to my project. And so right now I've already decided what my design is going to be. The center frame is going to be higher than the outer perimeter frame, so I like that design, and so that's what I'm working on. So I'm just going to put a little bit more E6000 onto the side of the frame, a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to attach them, and I'm just going to let them dry. So holding it and pressing it together so it makes a good connection. So right now I'm just going to take my scissors and cut the wooden sticks, the popsicle sticks, down a little bit so that I can use them as reinforcement on the back of the frames. Just using a little bit of hot glue to attach them. This does give the frame a lot of stability. This is a great reinforcer. So right now, guys, I just wanted to show you, this is what the DollarTree candles look like, the tea light candles, or the ones in the glass. And this is the one I'm going to use. I like this one. I like mine better. These are battery operated, and I picked them up from QVC. Right now, I'm just going to wrap the diamond wrap around it just to give it just a little bit more jazz. So guys, leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me if you're a DIYer and what was one of your favorite projects that you created. I'd really like to know. So right now I'm just going to attach 2 of the round flowers to the front of my tea light candle, just to give it a little extra bling. Nothing wrong with a little extra bling, I don't think, anyway. Okay guys, and that's what those 2 look like, and that looks really nice. So right now I'm going to use this blue adhesive gems. I picked this up from Michael's a couple of years ago. I had a little bit left, and I thought this would look really great on the silver frame, just to give it a little color dimension. And honestly, I really love the way this looks. So I'm just going to jazz up the frame just a little bit. I'm not going to over embellish it. I do want the frames to continue to have a minimalistic look, that it sort of like fell into place. That wasn't really my goal, but I do like the way it's coming out. So right now I'm just going to take a little hot glue, and I'm going to attach my tea light candles to the frame, or to the glass of the frame. Place it there, and I'm just going to press it down and hold it into place while the glue sets a little. And now I'm going to do the same to the other tea light candle. And my wall sconce is almost complete. It was looking so lovely. And if you notice guys, I did put a couple of gems in each one of the flowers on the front of the candle. And there you go guys, this is what it looks like on my wall. I absolutely love this. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and if you have a favorite DIY project that you've completed, please let me know what it is in the comment section. I like to read what you guys are making. Once again, I want to give a shout out to my girl Lifestyles by Kam. Guys, check out her videos, and if you like what she has, just subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Guys, take care, be blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye.